Hello, Michael Finn, Holistic Exercise and Lifestyle Coach, and today I'm going to talk about how to make your digestive system happier and healthier and perform better for you so that you have more energy and that you can extract more nutrients out of the food that you're eating so that you can build the happy and healthy body that you really want to have. All right, that's why I'm wearing Grinch colors, because the Grinch got happier and healthier, and I want all of you to be happier and healthier well. So let's jump right into it. So here we go. So movement is very important. The digestive system is always moving, so we want to move. Whether it's walking, this is why after that big Thanksgiving dinner, lots of people like going out for a walk. Why? Because this way we're actually pumping the body and we're pumping our digestive system to massage and circulate that food so that everything can get digested well and move from the stomach into the small intestine, into the large intestine, into the colon, and then get out like it's supposed to. So movement is incredibly important, and it can be easy movement, like just walking around like I did, or a little marching in place, or some easy little windmills that are nice and gentle and slow, or some Tai Chi with moving all around that way, or some nice easy little floor exercises of just rolling around on the floor or rocking. But movement is incredibly important, and your digestive system is always moving. And we want to make sure that we keep your digestive system moving. So one of the big things that I see that people have problems with that stop their digestive system from moving is snacking and eating too frequently. So especially around the holidays, we want to eat a meal, and it shouldn't really take any more than, say, 15-20 minutes at most. Okay, but we want to eat a meal, especially if it has lots of protein and lots of fat in it. It's going to go into your stomach and your small intestine, and then we want to let it be there and digest and keep moving through the system. So if you don't give your digestive system a break for 3 hours after you eat, it is going to stop. So if I have a meal and then an hour later I go and I have something else, the digestive system has to kind of stop because now it has something else to digest. So it's going to stop, and now all of the critters in the lower segments can climb up. So the things in your large intestine can start climbing into your small intestine where they're not supposed to be. Or the things in your colon will start climbing into your large intestine, and then up into the small intestine, and then up into the stomach. So the stomach is a very acidic environment. It's supposed to stay that way. And the small intestine is a very clean environment, and it's supposed to stay that way. But when you stop your digestive system from moving, that allows that to not happen, where the critters can come the opposite direction and things can move the opposite direction. Now, stress can cause this as well, but that's a whole nother topic for another day. The big key is we want to keep it moving. So snacking all day long, so sitting there and eating while you're watching a football game or the movie during the holidays, not a good idea. Have a meal, then go sit down and relax and watch your movie or watch your football game. Same thing goes with beverages. Beverages will stop the system too if they're not water, because anything that's not water, your body thinks is food and it has to process it just like it's food. So make sure that you're paying attention to that as well. So that was the big first one. 3 hours bare minimum in between times that you're eating food, okay? Especially if it's proteins and fats that take longer to digest. It's something, if you just drink a glass of juice, well, then you can eat maybe an hour later because it's not really a problem. All right, so next topic is vagus nerve. So our vagus nerve is connected between our digestive system and our brain. There is more nerve endings in our digestive system. There's actually twice as many than our entire spinal cord and our entire brain combined. So we want to stimulate that. And how do we stimulate that? Sound, making noise. It's the holidays, so hum, sing, do your carols, whatever you like. But make some noise, have some fun with it. So, but all of that's important, like walking around and just making a little noise. You can sing, you can gargle. All those sort of things help to stimulate the vagus nerve, and that's going to improve your digestive system. So make sure you get involved in that. It's like wonderful, whether you do it in the shower, Whether you do it outside, whether you do it in a big group, whether you do it by yourself in the closet, I don't really care. But make some noise and sing and have fun. It doesn't matter if you're good at it or not. Just have fun and enjoy it. And that way you will feel better. And I want all of you to feel better, have a better digestive system, and be happier and healthier. So, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, all your health troubles will be out of sight. And stimulate that vagus nerve. And move and improve the function of your digestive system. So if you like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the little bell and do all those kind of fun things. Put your comments down below, as well as put your things down as to what do you do to move to stimulate your digestive system, and what do you do to stimulate your vagus nerve. And I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video. Have a happy and healthy digestive system kind of day.